In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the awesome GlitchCon badge. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Speed smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Feel free to hop in. So we're talking about this badge, the GlitchCon 2020 badge. If we click on it, we will actually go to twitchcon.com. So to get this badge, what we need to do is to log in on the TwitchCon website. Click on the login and authorize it. You know what? On my Dutch account, I haven't done this yet. So let's just do it on that account to show you guys. So we will be going to twitchcon.com. And then here we click on login and authorize it. What we're doing now is we go back to Twitch, but then we go to twitch.tv/Twitch. So that's just Twitch's channel. We're going to chat, and then here it is follower only chat, so we gotta have to follow. And then it says emote only chat. Sometimes it's just not emote only chat, but like what you need to do is type some things in here. It doesn't really matter what. You can spam it a little bit. Yeah. I mean, normally spamming, I wouldn't encourage that, but they do apparently encourage this. So spam it, I guess. And after spamming it a bit, you can click on the cogwheel and edit your name, and then you can see that you have the badge here. It's usually between 3 and 5 spam messages that you will get the badge. I've noticed that if you're live while doing this, you do not actually get the badge. So if you're not getting it and you're looking like, hey, why doesn't it work? It might be because you're live streaming. There's also another new feature that I want you guys to know about, and actually bring that up in the video tomorrow, but if it's out already, I'll leave it up in the card here. And then because it's GlitchCon tomorrow, we're probably gonna have to release more videos talking a little bit more about the things that they release in GlitchCon, because we don't know anything about that yet. If we have already videos about that, I will leave them up here as well. But for now, I'll just send you to this video that YouTube recommends you. Click on it and I will see you there.